Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. In this tutorial, we will discuss about what is Power BI and why I should use Power BI. So first, Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft that helps users visualize, analyze and share data insights. It enables organization to connect to a variety of data sources, transform raw data into interactive reports and dashboards, and make informed decisions based on those insights. So, why I should use Power BI when I have to work? And who is the right person to work with Power BI? And how is Power BI able to handle all these tasks efficiently? Let's have a look first. Data need to prepare data. Preparing means that you might have data coming from different sources which are not equally performed. For example, which might have unrequired data, unclean data, and we will dive into this concept in this course. And whenever you want to work with raw data, that should be prepared or cleaned. Power BI is a tool. If you want to perform an in-depth data analysis, once you have the clean the data, you might want to run some analysis on this information, like calculated average or more advanced calculation. And after, it is easy to create drag and drop visualization like usually well prepared information. So it is very important. Preparation is the first step, and then analysis, and then visualization. Power BI is made for individuals, for single people, and also for team in bigger corporation. Because in addition to all these data driven preparation, analysis and visualization, to share data and collaborate in project with team, Power BI is made for everyone. And how does Power BI work? So, how can you perform all these tasks in one tool? Power BI is not a single tool. It consists of multiple tools, multiple connections. So, what are these tools about? Prepare and clean the data, preparation, analysis, and visualization. These are done mainly in Power BI desktop, and you can download it, but only for Windows machine, and it is not made for collaboration on project with other people. So this is why. So Power BI Pro is here to do exactly that, to collaborate in your projects with other team members and share to result within and outside your organization. And Power BI Pro application, which is not free and which can be accessed with any device, and you don't have this window only restrictions that we saw on Power BI desktop. Sharing and collaboration is very important aspect in Power BI universe. Power BI Mobile allows you to access your collaboration anywhere from your mobile device with Power BI application. So you can perform data flow in all these tools, and we will learn all about these tools on the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video.